answer to question 9. The question is all about finding the distance between Benny and the car and when the car is closest to Benny. So we are considering the equation, the distance of the equation, which can be duly represented as d squared is equal to s2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared, or d is equal to x squared minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 all squared. So you take p to be x and x plus 2, and the distance of b to be 0 and 3. We can actually use either of the equation, but we will prefer to use equation 1. So you take the distance, you let your d be pb. Let d be pb. So pb all squared is equal to x minus 0 all squared plus x plus 2 minus 3 all squared. So from here we have pb equals to x squared plus x4 minus 2x squared plus 1. And this will give us x4 minus x squared plus 1. To obtain the minimum of pb all squared is to take the derivative of pb squared with respect to x, 4x cubed minus 2x. So you take the derivative. Take the derivative dpb squared with respect to x equals to 0. So I have dpb squared dx is equals to 4x cubed minus 2x is equals to 0. So from here, what do we have? We factorize x. So you obtain x is equal to 4x squared minus 2 equals to 0. Your x is equals to 0. Your 4x squared minus 2 is equals to 0. And this will give you 4x squared equals to 2. Your x squared is 2 over 4. And your x squared is 1 over 2. And your x is plus or minus 1 over root 2. So we substitute each of this value into the distance. So from here, when x is 1 all over root 2, you have pb all squared is 1 all over root 2 all squared minus 1 all over root 2 all squared. Oh, sorry, this is 4. Okay. Let's take this to be equation 3. So when your x is 1 over 2, substitute x into 3. So from here, what do we have? We have 1 all over 4. This is plus 1. 1 all over 4 minus 1 all over 2 plus 1. I have pb all squared equals to 3 over 4. Recall, the distance is what we are looking for, not the square of the distance. So we have pb is equal to the square root of 3 over 4, which is the same thing as root 3 over root 4, and that will give us root 3 over 2, which in decimal is 0.87. So 0.87 is the distance between Benny and the car, and the closest distance to Benny and the car is 0.87. And here is our final answer.